Hey guys, welcome to this week's episode and this month's market update for Bryan and College Station, where we're going to go over exactly what's going on in Bryan and College Station, Texas, and how that affects investors buying or selling real estate here in my favorite towns of Bryan and College Station, Texas. And hey, before we get into that, guys, please like and subscribe because you're going to want to stay up to date on what's going on in our local market here in Bryan-College Station. Plus, you're going to get great videos every week about how to grow your wealth through real estate here in Bryan-College Station, Texas. So to start things off, let's talk about the stats that just came out from the MLS. This is for July 2024, and we're looking at closed sales that are up. But more importantly, active listings are up. This is a trend we've seen continue month after month. We crossed over 1,000 units about 3 months ago. Check out that video. And since then, we've been growing. So our active inventory is now as high as it's been in the last few years. Also, a ever increasing number is our months of inventory. We now sit at 4.4, up from 4.3 last month, and that is up 1.6 months of inventory compared to last year. So last year we were in the high twos. Now we're at 4.4. It's really going to start to feel like a buyer's market. The other thing to note is that our days on market, how long does it take for a house from when it gets listed to when it sells, is also up. We're at 97 days. That's a pretty big increase, around a 10-day increase from the month prior. To summarize all this, we are in a very soft market. It is now going to feel very, very much like a buyer's market. The problem with the previous months when I had these videos is I was telling you it feels like a buyer's market, but then you'd go look at interest rates and you were looking at rates in the high 6s or 7s. In fact, last month when I did this video, we were sitting right around 7.1. Well, here's the good news. We dropped down now where rates are hovering in the mid 6s. As of today, according to Mortgage News Daily, the rate is 6.56. 0.5% is a pretty large decrease. A lot of this has to do with the expectation that the Fed is going to drop the federal funds rate in September. So what does all that mean? Well, for one, we have a soft market and we have lowering interest rates. This is very good news for buyers out there. For sellers, you have to realize that as of right now, your house is going to sit a little bit longer, and if you want to sell quickly, you're going to need to reduce the price. The good news for sellers, though, is that if the rates continue to decrease, or even if they hold steady at this lower rate, then I expect more buyers to come out of the woodwork. What does this mean for buyers? It means buyers, guess what? You only have a small window before all your competition floods into the market. I think right now is a very good time for a buyer to make an offer on a house, get it under market value, but also lock in a pretty good interest rate. If you guys have any questions or any comments about what's going on in the market locally or even nationally, go ahead and leave me a comment below. And don't forget, like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Take it easy.